Today we are going to start with exercise 5.6. Okay, so we have to name the types of the triangles. The measurements are given over here. According to that, we have to name the triangles. Which triangles are these? You can raise your hands or you can write in the chat box also. Yes, Aditya. A part.
And A part is scalene triangle.
Yes, because triangles with the lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 9 centimeter. All the sides are totally different. So they are scalene triangle. Yes, Aditya, you are absolutely right. Madhav, read this B part. Read the B part.
ABC with AB equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter, and BC equal to 6 centimeter.
So which triangle, which type of triangle it is? If all the sides you can see all the centimeters are totally different. So which type of triangle it is? Huh? I told you about according to the sides and according to the angles. There are 3 types of triangles. So which type of triangle it is if all the sides are different? Yes, Arnav Singh Tomar.
Then scalene triangle.
It's scalene.
Scalene triangle.
Yes, if all the sides are totally different, if that triangle is known as scalene triangle. Clear, Madhav? Are you listening? Which type
Yes,
of
ma'am.
triangle it is? That if
Scalene
all the
triangle.
sides are totally different with one another, then it will be a scalene triangle. Okay?
Then
And
can
it will
I
be a,
read third question? Can I read?
just a second. Yes, unmuted Arnav. Read the third part.
Yes, ma'am. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to OR is equal
QR.
to PR is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Ma'am, the answer is equilateral triangle.
Yes, equilateral triangle. It's spell it properly. Equilateral triangle. If all the sides are equal, then it will be an equilateral triangle. Yes. Puneet, read the next part.
Okay, ma'am. D and near DE with D is equals to 90 degree.
Yes. Triangle DEF with angle D is equal to 90 degree. Which type of triangle it is? If your one side is 90
Right
degree.
angle triangle.
Yes, right angle triangle, right. Absolutely right. Right angle triangle. Okay, Arnav. Yes, Aditya, you are absolutely right. Right angle triangle. Shubhatre, read the next part. Read the next part, beta. E part.
E part. XYZ with
Beta, there is a triangle sign over there, na? Shubh, there is a triangle sign in front of XYZ. So you will say triangle XYZ.
triangle XYZ with Y is
Angle
equal to
Y.
90.
See, beta, Shubh, this is a sign of angle. You can see a
Angle
L.
angle
This is
angle
a
Y
symbol of angle.
90 degree and XY is equal to YZ.
Yes, XY is equal to YZ over here. So in triangle XYZ, angle one angle is 90 degree and two sides are equal. Then which type of triangle it is? Yes, Shubh. Which the triangle which has two sides equal, which type of triangle it is? Unmute yourself and tell me. The triangle which is having two sides equal. Which type of triangle it is? Speak up, beta. Yes, Arsh.
Yes, right.
It is a right triangle because it has one side 90 degree and two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles right angle triangle. Yes, Aditya, you are correct. Isosceles right angle triangle. You can give me the answer in the chat box also. So isosceles triangle has two sides equal and one side is of 90 degrees. So it is a right triangle. So it is an isosceles right angle triangle. Do this question in your notebook, everyone. Chitra, read the next part. Chitra, read the F part.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There is only D part, not E and F.
Question number 1, I'm asking. E, F part. Read it
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
You can't see my screen.
Angle LMN with the M angle AL is equals to 30 degree. M angle M is equals to 70 degree and M angle N is equals to 80 degree.
Chitra, one more thing I must explain you. There is small angle M. You have written na? M angle N. You are reading like that. That small m is written in front of angle N, angle L and angle L. के आगे के small m लिखा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will speak like that. Measure of angle L. Small m resembles measure. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So speak again.
Angle M
Reads triangle element.
LMN with
Triangle
small.
element because Chitra triangle sign is in front of that. So you will read like that. Triangle element. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Read properly.
Triangle LMN with small m
Small m
angle.
nahi. No beta, you will not speak small m. You will say measure of angle L.
Measure of angle L is equals to 30 degree.
Yes.
Measure of angle M is equals to 70 degree and measure of angle N is equals to 80 degrees.
So which type of triangle it is?
Ma'am,
No, Madhav. All the sides are, let's see properly, they are less than 90 degree and less than 90 degree angle is which angle?
ma'am, acute angle.
Yes, it is an acute angle triangle. Okay. See 30 degree,
Okay.
70 degree and 80 degree is given. So all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degree, always remember that it is an acute angled triangle. Okay. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do match the following in book now. Question number 2, we'll do it in book. Take out your books, everybody. Question number 2, match the following, we'll do it in book. Take out your pencil in your hands and your book. Arush, unmute yourself. Yes, read.
Yes, ma'am.
First match the following. 3 sides of equal length.
Ma'am, 3 sides of equal length.
A triangle which is having 3 sides. Triangle की 3 sides होती है, is it?
Ma'am,
or not?
3 sides. Ma'am, scalene.
No beta, जब unequal होते हैं, all the sides are unequal, then it is scalene. All the sides are equal in length. Equal.
Equal.
Yes. Yes, Aditya, you are correct. Arsh, correct. Arsh, yes, right. Equal triangles, all the angles which are equal. Yes, Arnav. Arnav Agarwal.
And the answer is equilateral.
Yes, equilateral. Arush, did you get my words? Equilateral triangle has all the sides which are equal. So equilateral comes from the word equal. Yes, next, Sorvi, unmute yourself. Two sides of equal length. Two sides of equal length. Not audible. Can give me the answer in the chat box. Sorry, give me the answer in the chat box. You're not audible. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. Two sides of equal length is an isosceles triangle. Shubhatre, you are correct. It is an isosceles triangle. Utkarsh, tell me the third part. All sides are of different length. Utkarsh, all sides are of different length. Unmute yourself, beta. Aditya, you are correct. Arnav, wait, Arsh, correct. Wait, Madhav. Utkarsh, tell me. All sides are of unequal length, different length. Yes, Ishpreet Singh, sorry. Unmute yourself, Ishpreet. Ishpreet Singh, unmute yourself, I said. Dravyajan, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, third wala.
Third, all sides are of different length.
Ma'am, scalene
Very good. Scalene triangle is having all the sides different. Very good. Naman Sharma, tell me the fourth one. Three acute angles. Three acute angles. As Aditya, Arsh, you are correct. You're not audible. Write in the chat box. Very voice is very low. I can't hear you, Naman. Yes, Aditya, you are correct. Yes, Madhav, you can tell in the chat box. You can write the answer. No, beta, Shubhatre, no. No, equilateral not. All the sides, three acute angles means it is an acute angled triangle. Okay, Madhav, you are correct. Got it, Naman? It is an acute angled triangle. Arush, give me the next answer in the chat box. Write the next answer. One right angle. Match it. One right angle. Which type of triangle it is? Yes, Arsh, you are correct. Arnav Singh Tomar, absolutely right. Madhav, right. Arush, right. Arsh, right. Shubhatre, write the correct answer. Yes, you are right, Shubhatre now. Yes, what about Arush? Arush, I told you to write down the answer. One right angle. Yes, right angle, beta. So it is a right angle triangle. What are you writing? How can it be acute if it is a right angle? So one right angle is equal to right angled triangle. Yes, Utkarsh, unmute yourself and tell me the next one. One obtuse angle. Utkarsh. Unmute yourself, Utkarsh. Sorry. Yes, Arnav, right. Arsh, right. Madhav, right. Madhav, your spelling is wrong. Yes, Shubhatre, you are absolutely right. Write down the answer in the chat box. Your voice is not coming, sorry. Yes, it is correct. Arush, absolutely right. So one obtuse angle means obtuse angled triangle. Okay. Next is one right angle with two sides of equal length. One right angle and two sides. Yes, Shubhatre, isosceles right angle triangle. Arsh, it is an isosceles also and it is a right angle triangle. Okay. Because one side is of 90 degree, that is a right angle, and the other two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles right angle triangle. Yes, Madhav, Arnav, Siv, Tovar, right. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. Third question. Read the third question, Arsh.
Name each of the following triangles in two different ways. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation.
Yes, tell me first triangle. Which triangle it is? Which
Ma'am,
type of triangle it is?
right. Ma'am, isosceles right angle.
Wait, it's not mentioned right angle triangle. How can it be possible? 8 centimeter, 5 and 5 it is given.
Ma'am, it's
See, two sides are of similar length. 5 and 5
yes.
and one is different. So which type of triangle it is? Two sides are same and one is different.
Ma'am, scalene.
Scalene is having all the sides different. Two sides same, one side different.
Ma'am, isosceles.
Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. And you can see the length also. It is more than 90 degree or less than 90 degree. All the sides. Tell me. All the sides are
All the
less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree. Just seeing by this diagram. Yes, Aditya, you are right. Madhav, you are correct. Shubhatre, no, false. Wrong. It is an isosceles triangle and it is an acute angle triangle. Okay? It is an acute angle triangle. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it has all the sides which are less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. And two sides are similar, so it is an isosceles triangle. Okay? Next, Shubhatre, B part.
Right angle and scaled.
Scalene. Yes, it is a scalene triangle as well as a right angle triangle. Because this sign is mentioned, so it is a right angle triangle and scalene triangle. Absolutely right. Arnav Singh Tomar, tell me the next answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Third answer.
When that figure is shown obtuse angle.
Yes, third one is obtuse
And-
angle and it is more than 90 degree. That's why it is not. And
Ma'am, isosceles angle is
it's
also.
not isosceles, beta, isosceles. Spell it
Yes,
properly.
ma'am, isosceles.
Yes, isosceles triangle. Yes, Dravya, tell me the next one.
Ma'am, next one is isosceles triangle.
Isosceles is correct. And can you see a 90 degree symbol over there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
it is right angle.
yes, it is a right angle triangle. Absolutely right. Yes, Aryan Gautam unmuted. Tell me the next one. E part. Aryan Gautam. E part.
Yes, ma'am.
E part. Tell me which type of triangle it is. E part. Fifth one. Fifth part batao beta. Yes, you are right, Aditya Raj. It is an acute angle triangle and it is an equilateral triangle also. That is absolutely right.
Equilateral.
Huh?
I'm equilateral.
Yes, it is an equilateral. And acute angle also because all the sides are less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle triangle and equilateral triangle both. Utkarsh, next part. Utkarsh, next part. Last part. Naman, read the next part. You're not audible. Check your mic volume. Your voice is very low. Check the mic volume. Not audible. Arnav Agarwal, read the last part. Tell me the last part.
Ma'am, the answer of last part is obtuse angle and scalene.
Yes, scalene triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Absolutely right. Very good. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Try to construct triangles using the matchsticks. We have to construct the triangle using the matchstick here. So take out your matchstick and your Fevicol in your hands. Try to construct the triangle with 3 matchsticks. This is some examples which are given in your book. But we have to make a triangle with 3 matchsticks. Can you make it? See, in this way, make a triangle with 3 matchsticks. And it is an equilateral triangle because all the 3 matchsticks are of same length. So it will be an equilateral triangle. It will be an equilateral triangle. Paste matchsticks, all of you. Show me your activity also. Paste 3 matchsticks. All of you. Give me the message in the chat box. You are not audible. Take out 3 matchsticks and paste it in such a way that will be an equilateral triangle. Bring Favicol and matchsticks, all of you. Yes, Arnav Agarwal, you are absolutely right. And write down it is an equilateral triangle. Write it down, paste it and write it down also. In your notebook, paste it, beta. आपने तो अभी रखी है ना? Paste it in your notebook also. What about rest of you? Take out the matchsticks and paste it with the help of Fevicol. 3 matchsticks make a triangle. Yes, Chitra, unmuted. In 6 matchsticks, you will paste 6 matchsticks in such a way that it will be an equilateral triangle. Start pasting your 6 matchsticks in such a way that it will be an equilateral triangle. All of you take out the matchsticks and Fevicol and start pasting. Arnav, pasted?